Hi, welcome to Sage Business Cloud Accounting Software video tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Accounts Master Files. Accounts. Accounts are created so that you can record information about expenses, income, liabilities or assets that you may have. You use accounts to analyze transactions entered in the bank and credit card function, as well as journal entries captured in the accountants area. You can access accounts by selecting the Accounts List of Accounts menu. Sage Business Cloud Accounting includes, by default, a list of the most commonly used accounts in a business environment. These accounts can be edited to suit your business needs, or in the event of an account not being applicable to your business, you can delete them. Accounting will also create the sales account, the cost of sales account, the trade receivables and trade payable accounts, and your tax accounts. These system accounts cannot be edited or deleted. However, follow the links to view the transaction history for the account. To edit an account, you will click on the edit link for the account. To create a new account, you will click on the Add Account button. At the top of the screen, you will enter the name and description for the account. You can also enter an opening balance for the account and a date for the opening balance. Users can also set a default VAT type which will apply when transaction. The account entertainment should be set to exempt for all new companies by default. In the category menu, you will select the correct category for the account. It is important that you select the correct category since accounting uses the categories to calculate the values on the profit and loss report and the statement of assets and liabilities report. Account categories cannot be created or edited. All of the categories that you will need for your business have been created for you. When you create accounts, you must select the correct category from the categories that are available. The account categories available are explained as follows. Sales. This category also called income and includes the value of all of your sales. All sales, whether item sales or service sales, are included. Cost of sales. This category will include all accounts for costs that are incurred directly from selling your products. For example, if you have a mail order business and you are supposed to deliver all of your orders, you would include postage in the cost of sales and not as an expense. This category is also used for accounts for your purchases. Other income. You will use this category for any other income that are received, such as interest received and rental income if you rent out space. Expenses. Expenses are the running cost of your business, such as rent, water, and electricity and salaries. Income tax. Income tax is tax paid to tax authorities on income. Non-current assets. Non-current assets are assets that have a lifespan of more than one financial year. For example, office premises and vehicles are non-current assets. Current assets. Current assets are assets that can quickly be exchanged for money and are likely to change within one financial year. For example, the value of the money that your customers owe you and the value of your stock on hand are regarded as current assets. Money in your bank account is seen to be a current asset. Non-current liabilities. These liabilities are debts that you have that are going to take more than one financial year to settle, such as a mortgage or vehicle financing. Current liabilities. Current liabilities are short-term liabilities such as the value of the money that you owe to your suppliers or your local tax authority. If you are in an overdraft situation, your bank account is regarded as a current liability. Owner's equity. Owner's equity refers to money invested in a business by its owner. This can also be defined as the amount that the business owes to the owner. You can also add attachment by clicking the File button. Individual files may not exceed 2 MB in size. A maximum of 5 attachments per note or transaction can be added. Item accounts. Sales and purchases accounts for items. Now you can assign your items to their own unique sales and purchases accounts. When you process a customer's invoice, accounting will use the sales account set on the item. When you buy items from a supplier, accounting will use the purchaser's account set up on the item. To access this function, select the Accounts menu, followed by the List options and the Sales and Purchases Accounts option. Enter the name, select Sales, Cost of Sales or Purchases account, Inventory account or Item adjustments. Click Save button. Selecting an item to be a sales or purchase account. Once a sales or purchases account created, you will have to specify in the item whether it's a sales or purchase account. Select the items, list of items. click on the Add an Item button. Under the Details tab, select the Sales or Purchases account from the fields available. If you now process an invoice for a customer and view the profit and loss report, your sales and purchases item will display separately. If you have activated Advanced Inventory module, you can select Inventory Account and Item Adjustment Account.